Hello and welcome to this video. Every morning I want to see what are the companies who are going to pay dividends in the next few days. And because I'm an R user, I would like to achieve the same using an R script. So let's see how we can do that. We would be using the R West library, and then we would be using the LubriDate library for managing the dates. And finally, we would use the format table library to create the table. So once we call those packages, we are ready to import our data. And for the Australian data, I use the morningstar.com.au for my stock prices. So I can read the HTML value, which is something like this, but that doesn't make much sense to us in terms of the final output. So we would have to convert this into a data frame, and this is how we do that. So we're going to create an HTML table from the HTML nodes, and the table is the first table, so there's only one table in that page, and that gives me this. It'll be good to see the data in an ascending order of the date so that we know what dividends are being paid in the next few days starting from tomorrow. So as you can see that the X dividend date is a character format. We would have to convert this into a date format first. So we would be using the LubriDate package to convert this character date into a proper date. We'll be using the DMY format because the date is in day, month and year format. After running the LubriDate command, we have the X dividend date in a proper date format. We would like to see the dividends which are being paid from tomorrow onwards. So we will filter the data so that the X dividend dates is greater than system date, which is today's date. And finally, we would just want to arrange the data in an ascending order of dividend dates. And finally, we would use the format table command and passing the data set ds or data frame ds to that. And this is what we get. Now to make it more interesting, I'm just going to change the format table command, and I want to convert the amount column with some kind of a green bar so that we know which share is paying more dividend. As you can see that based on the amount, the bars, the green color bars are bigger or smaller. So that's what we wanted to achieve. I hope you found this information useful and practical. Thank you very much for watching it, and I'll see you in the next one.